today you need to get some of the answers questions from Faith Life, the Universe and Everything. Some of the answers from yesterday's questions are there, so go and check those out. What happens next in the interactive drama? It's all down to you guys, so we'll have to see what's happened. The thought for today, that's always good, so just go and see that. Did you hear Karen's story yesterday? Wasn't it fantastic? Well, Laura's been telling us hers today. And what are your priorities? That's what Claire's been talking to us about. So why don't you go and have a look at that, and you can get yours sorted out. I'm going to have some toast too. Here we go. What else have we got today? Your prayer cards, get today's one. Cross Purposes have been working hard on those. So you can go and check that out. There's a new challenge up, going and praying somewhere, I don't know, you have to have a look. And also the chat room, don't forget, between 8 and 10 tonight you can come and talk to us, get somebody to pray with you. And once again, of course, night prayer, 10 o'clock to wrap it all up. Here we go, there's your toast.